Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Narrated Abu Sa'id al-Khudri, may Allah be pleased with him. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "When the people of paradise will enter paradise and the people of hell will go to hell, Allah will order those who have had faith equal to the weight of a grain of mustard seed to be taken out from hell. So they will be taken out, but by then they will be blackened, charred. Then they will be put in the river of Hayat, life, and they will revive like a grain that grows near the bank of a flood channel. Don't you see that? It comes out yellow and twisted. Jazakallah. Subscribe to our channel to stay connected. If you like our videos, then like and share them. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications of our new videos. Thank you.